24.
All right, green flags are up for J.J. Moore with the GMC 2500. He is going to come back at the end of the night and try to make another pass. Green flags are out for Mitch Shannon with the 95 Ford Ranger. And the drive shaft has decided it does not want to go here tonight, so Mitch Shannon sounded like it was going to make a good run.
Single seat doors in the front. Corrections on research to root reveal, silk reveal, and kernel reveal. Powered by AI, VIQ turns decades of data into practical, trusted insight, backed by best proprietary research. Don't just manage your field, unlock the full potential of every product with VIQ.
Other side of the truck, ma'am.